so today I'm going to show you how to make a cake. These are the main ingredients you're going to need to make this cake. You're going to need 1, 2, 3, 4 eggs. Now put some margarine, which is still very fresh. Just pull that off like that. Whole load of margarine in there. You need some sugar. Okay, there. Very nice. And we've got flour also is there. Very nice. So now we've got our equipment here. Okay, so you have your main machine. Have all that like that. Hold the same easy spoon, your spatula, and 2 baking dishes. And you need a measuring jug. If you can use scales, I just use a jug instead. Okay, so now we can start measuring out our ingredients. So I'm going to put that there. First, let's do the eggs. Okay, so you need 1 egg, 2 eggs, 3 eggs, 4 eggs. Okay? Okay, so with these eggs, you probably guess what we have to do. You crack them. And you pour it in. Okay. My hands. Okay, so now we've done that, we're now going to go on to sugar. We get our sugar, which I showed you earlier. And we measure out, I'm measuring out on this. We want 200 grams. Okay, so just nice and gently pour it in until you've got 200 grams. Okay? Okay, and that's about perfect actually. So now I can pour that in. Just spread it around like that. Now you got that. Now we've done that. On to flour, we get our flour jug. And you just open it up. You do it with a spoon if you like. So you don't get the flour everywhere. And you just keep pouring it in to get 200 grams. Okay, so you see that's perfectly 200 grams. So we're now just going to pour that in. Now we're on to margarine. Okay, so now we're going to do the margarine. Without scales, this can be a bit hard. You can do it. So what you want to do is you get one of these halves and you just scoop it up and pop it in. Like that. And so you just keep doing this. And we just put that in the middle there. Like that. In there. Okay, put your load of spatula, get the lid on, spin it round. Now, as you can see, that is perfect. That's what you want. Okay, so that's pretty perfect, as you can see. It's all very nice. Okay, so now I've got 2 main containers. We're now going to get back to our utterly butterly, or your margarine, or your butter, whatever you're using. And now this is the bit where we get messy. Okay, so now we've got all of that. So you put your fingers in there, like that. Okay, so we can put that out of the way now. And now we're going to use our spatula. So this is the first one we do, okay? And you just pour okay, so now we have our 2 mixed. Now I'm going to place them into the oven. So away I go. Place these 2 in the oven. You just open it up like that. Place 1 there and 1 there. Okay, so now they're in there. We come back to them in about 25 to 30 minutes. Okay, see you then.